Welcome back, Crimsons, to another episode of the WMSU Specials. Today, we are going to feature Faculty Union's Sports Festival 2023. Come on, join me as we witness the East meets the West.
In the wilderness, doing whatever I choose, yeah. I got that thirst for the power game, yeah.
I would like to say this by the power vested in me as the University President of the Western Mindanao State University. I formally declare that the WMSU Faculty Union Sports Festival 2023 is now open. Congratulations and good luck to all participants, and let the games begin.
Nothing like this. Boom, boom, I'm a renegade. You ain't seen nothing like this yet. I'm a renegade.
Today's event is an annual Sportsfest of the WMSU Faculty Union. Every year, the Faculty Union, in coordination with the admin personnel, we're always having a sports festival for the wellness program of the Western Mindanao State employees with the support of the University President, Ma'am Carla. Mabuhay, Ma'am Carla. Thank you very much for this activity. Well, of course, as you can see, I'm right now having an exercise for the pickleball competition. This is a new event, no, to be featured in the sports festival. We have also the 3-on-3 competition, and also we have the mixed volleyball competition. And lastly, we have the futsal. It's a short event for football, no? Using the covered court of university. I hope this particular activity should be pushed every year, no? For the welfare of the WMSU employees, especially to the health and the wellness program of the WMSU employees. Of course, lahat ng colleges, no, involved here, no? A combination of different employees or personnel in different colleges, as well to the administration offices. Because we invited also the admin personnel to be part of this activity. We have to note that partnership and collaboration and linkages to one another is very important, especially in sports activities. So lahat po ng colleges involved po dito. Hindi lang po isang college, but the entire colleges under the WMSU Faculty Union of the Western Mindanao State University. Thank you very much again, and have a blessed day. Arriba WMSU, join us and have fun. Come on, let's go!
And that's the episode for today. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Again, this is Carl Richard C. Badalea, WMSU Special.